Back, so yeah. Hey sailors, welcome back to my channel. Today we are off in Costa Maya in Mexico for the very first time. So far we've only been granted shore leave in Bimini in the Bahamas. So this is really exciting that we're allowed off in Costa Maya, and we're just going to have a wander around and see what we can find. Lovely hammock area in the shade. See the ship. So this is the drinks menu. Oh wow, look at this. Cheers guys. Oh. I got a banana, was it banana mama? Bahama. Well, it has got banana in it.
Oh god. Face.
Is that oh that's really nice. Yeah.
What do you have?
Mine's better, but
I have Bahama Mama.
Bahama. Can I try yours?
Yeah, try it, yeah.
What do you have?
I have a banana. Oh no, sorry, Bahama Mama. What? Banana Mama. Bahama Mama.
Mama, not mama.
Mama.
Bahama Mama.
Bahama Mama. Wow. You look so miserable, Kason.
What do you want me to do?
No.
Please try it. It's just my thing. It's no rest of your face.
Oh, thank you so much. Oh my gosh, look at that guacamole. Very good. So we all got guacamole. Yulia got cheese sticks. How are they? Okay. And what did you get, Kason?
Quesadillas. Very good.
Very good? Oh, this is great. So we have just finished lunch and now we are going to go and have a wander around the shops, which is very exciting. I haven't had a wander around shops in a long time, apart from the shops that I work in. But yeah, very exciting. So let's go and have a look what's here. So now we are going to go into these shops and just Pandora, yes, and just have a look around, see what's on offer. I also need a magnet for my magnet collection back home, so I'll nip into here, I think. Oh, look at these magnets. What do we? Oh, I don't know, maybe I'll get a little hat. Costa Maya, or should I get one that says Costa Maya? That is nice. Yeah, I do like a turtle.
Anything cute that you like?
20? Everything in here is $20?
No, I think it's just the table.
Oh, right. Wow. I'll take everything for $20. Freddie's going to play us a song. That is stunning. Because that's the problem, it's out of tune. It's not the fact that you can't play.
It's out of tune, exactly.
It is. I shall leave you playing. Oh, beautiful. Favourite?
I cannot decide the zebras or the egg.
I like the eggs, I must say. What is it? Huevos? I know, I'm really enjoying our day out.
I went to the hat.
Oh, I love a hat. Oh, yes. Those dresses are nice. Yeah, look at it. This is so cool. Oh, here we go. Look at these magnets. They're like Day of the Dead magnets. I think I might get one of them. I love like Day of the Dead. I think it's such a cool thing to celebrate. This is the one that we're going to go for. Yes. Look at these hats. Aren't they fantastic? Having a bath. He's just chilling. Now I have got my magnet and I've had a look around the shop. I think it would only be right to go for a little swim. Just here. Oh, yes. Swimming time! Woohoo! Oh, Freddie, what have you got there?
Got an electric mojito and a lime frozen daiquiri.
Oh, they look lovely. Are both of them for you?
No, only one.
Oh, look at that. You're having a nice day. Oh, it's always. I'm always, yeah.
Cause I need you, and it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a couple, get to you clean and proper. Way I move, ain't no weekend lover. You gon' have me on your mind forever, ever. Thanks, baby, turn it down like a sweet and ready.
We're gonna get some ice
nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience.
Oh, look at all of this.
Good?
Yeah, really good. Yeah. Thank you. Wow. Oh, I don't know what that
You paid.
Oh my Well, we have had such a lovely day. We're eating our ice cream and umming and ahhing our whole way back to the ship. But yeah, we're gonna go back to the ship now, have a nap before we start work later on. But I hope you have enjoyed watching us enjoy ourselves. But we're gonna go back, so yeah.
Oh shit. It was too good.
Anyway, so thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please press like and subscribe for more cruise ship content. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye.